In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy XRP on OKX. First of all, launch open OKX application on your device. You can see over here OKX has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Keep in mind you'll only be able to buy the assets if you have verified your account. If you haven't verified your account, you'll not be able to buy it. So make sure to verify your identity. After you do that, you'll be able to buy the XRP. In the home interface, you'll be able to find various assets over here. What you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now simply search for XRP. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on this option XRP that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface you'll be able to see the chart. If you scroll down you'll be able to find other informations as well. You'll be able to see the 24 hours volume, market cap, all-time high, etc. Analyze all these informations very carefully. So if you decide to buy it, tap on this option buy that you can see on the screen. As I said earlier, you'll need to confirm your identity in order to buy the cryptocurrencies, so make sure your identity is verified. Right now, the identity verification is not available in my region, but I'll tell you what to do. Make sure you've deposited the fund in your account. If you haven't done it, simply deposit fiat currency into your account via methods like bank transfer or by using a credit or debit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. After you do that, you'll be able to buy the XRP. What you have to do is enter the amount of XRP that you want to buy. After you do that, what you have to do is simply confirm the transaction. After the transaction has been completed, the order will be placed and XRP will be deposited in your account. So like this, you'll be able to buy the XRP. So that is how you buy XRP on OKX. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.